All right, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a Forex trader here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. Guys, we're just going to jump right in to the analysis very quickly. Sorry I haven't made any videos this week. I've been just super busy. I'll try to get a more in-depth video out tomorrow. But tonight, just want to give you a quick wave update. Right now, what we're watching in our Discord are these two trend lines these two lines right here. These are key cutoff points for Elliott Wave counts, guys. We've got counts to the upside, counts to the downside. Bitcoin is just a big old mess right now, to be honest with you. It's just absolutely crazy. A couple ways to look at this. Number one, the bearish look. I can actually go to the 2 hour. There we go. I can actually count this wave right here as a 5-wave move to the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. Followed by a very complex and very weird but W, X, and a Y right there. Actually, I put ABC, but I meant WXY there. There we go. So W wave right there, X and Y. Okay. So if that's the case, we got basically, and what you'll notice too is that this came down, came back and retraced back to the golden zone, to the 61. 0.618, 0.65 area. So, that's really, a good possibility here that we have a 5-wave move to the downside and then a 3-wave move back. And what we're having now is another 5-wave move to the downside next. That could turn into something larger or be something just as an ABC. So if it's the bear count, guys, if it's the bear count, we're looking at A, B, and C, something like this, okay? And I say bear, I just mean that if we're going down, if we're going to go down right now, it doesn't mean it's ultimately bearish, because really this particular count I have is ultimately a bullish count. But nevertheless, we'd be looking for targets somewhere around 55K. Bottom of this wave would be a nice area to pay attention to, right in there, okay? So that's one count that we're looking at. What's the invalidation for that? Well, if price starts moving to the upside and gets past here at $63,388, if it exceeds that number, guys, 63,388. That's by the way, that's on the Coinbase chart. Just FYI for your information. Then yeah, we would expect that that's invalidated, that we're more bullish if the price moves up to that region. Okay, if the price continues down and goes below $60,000, guys, then we're looking at a more bearish look here that could get even deeper than this. Tomorrow I'll go into more depth as to what else this could be. It could be quite the sell-off. But I don't know if that's going to happen or not. And chances are this is going to get a bit more complex over the weekend. In other words, this is not just going to go straight down, guys, but chances are this is going to take forever in this range, okay, before it starts working its way down, if it goes down. It's probably going to work its way down over the weekend very slowly, if I had to guess. All right, so that's the bearish or the downward look that we're looking at right now. What's the upward count or the more bullish count? Well, if we have a more bullish count, then what we're going to do is look at the... I'm trying to clear my chart here, guys, but I'm having a hard time. There we go. Clear that right there. Perfect. All right, let's go back to the 2 hour. Look at this a little bit more carefully. If we're looking at more of the bullish count, guys, what we're doing is we're actually looking at this as an A, B, and a C wave right there. That probably finished right in there. And then what we have here is either an A, a B, and we get a C. Okay. Now, ultimately, that's kind of a bearish count if that's all it gets is an ABC. Which again, we'll talk more depth tomorrow about that, but we'd be looking for a downward side to go deeper than that probably after that. Okay, that's one idea there. Another idea is that instead of an ABC, we're going to have a 1, 2, 3 to the upside instead. And so that's going to be 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. And that's what takes us up to get us up to that 75K target that we've been waiting for, watching for. This kind of count right there, that's how we get up there. But we need to see it start moving pretty impulsively pretty soon. In other words, the market has been going sideways and really trashy right in here, guys. So I would, I need to see the nature of this wave change to the upside and with some impulsivity. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for there. That's another count that we'd be watching, and this would be the finished wave. This would be finishing a wave from on the larger macro. We'd be looking for a potential large down move after this wave happens. So right now, for now, I'll just show you the two ideas that I'm looking at here. Up or down? It's always up or down. I don't know the answer to that. And if anybody trolls a comment on that, I mean that's the way TA is, guys. But we have validations and invalidations of those counts and different ways to look at that. So right now the Elliott wave count is quite difficult. There's a lot of structure in here that I could talk to you about. That's super difficult. Like for instance, we have a flat right here in the middle. If this is a flat, 3-wave down, 3-wave up, 5-wave down, like that, and that would be part of a bullish count. I look at that differently in the bearish scenario. With that said, guys, it is up or down. If price moves down below 60K, we're leaning bear. Okay, to the bear move down here about 55K, roughly, at least that deep, I would imagine. If we get past 63.3, I would imagine we go up. Potentially just a little higher to retest the highs here, or we could go make higher highs and get upwards to 70K, 75K in those targets there. With that said, guys, that's just a quick wave update looking at it. I will bring a video more in depth tomorrow morning, but you guys have a great night. Thanks for stopping by the channel. If you made it all the way to the end of the channel, let me know in the comments you made it all the way to the end. Write this secret comment, in the chat. If pigs could fly. If pigs could fly, and that'll just be a random comment that lets me know you made it to the end of the video. Guys, love you. I'm glad you stopped by the channel. Show some love in the comments as well. Hit the like button. Subscribe. You can smash the like button. You can gently tap it. You can click it any number of even times that you would prefer. But go ahead and do those things for the YouTube algorithm. Y'all have a great night. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.